In this time I will show you how to knit beautiful cable stitch pattern. Pattern consists of 24 stitches and has 10 rows. For work you need ball of yarn, knitting needles, cable needle. Let's get started knitting. Let's begin the work. I cast on 36 stitches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. I have done 36 stitches and we begin the first row. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 24, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and purl the last 8 stitch. First row is made. Turn the work. Knit the knits and purl the purls in row 2. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I have done 2 rows. These 2 rows not includes in the main pattern. Begin the first row of the main pattern. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl 5, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, work with cable needle. I slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, hold them down at the back, knit 3 from the main needle and knit 3 from the cable needle, slide them back and knit them. 1, 2, 3. Work with cable needle, slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle and hold them down at the front. Knit 3 from the main needle and slide back from the cable needle and knit 3 from the main needle. Knit 6, purl 5 and purl the last 8 stitch. Row 1 is done. Row 2, knit the knits and purl the purls. Begin row 3. Slip the first 8 stitch, purl 5, knit 3, Then slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, hold them down at the back, knit 3 from the main needle, then slide stitches back, knit them, knit 6, slide 3 next stitches onto the cable needle, hold them down at the front, knit 3 from the main needle, and knit 3 from the cable needle. Knit 3, purl 5, and purl the last H stitch. Knit the knits and purl the purls in the 4th row. Begin row 5. Slip the first H stitch, purl 5, work with cable needle, slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, hold them down at the back, then knit 3 from the main needle, then knit 3 from the cable needle, one, 2, 3. Knit 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then work with cable needle, slide next 3 stitches onto the cable needle, hold them down at the front, knit 3 from the main needle and knit 3 from the cable needle, slide them back to the left needle and knit 3, purl 5, and purl the last H stitch. Purl the purls and knit the knits in the next row. We have done 6 rows, begin the 7th one. Now I knit the knits. In this row I am going to knit the knits and purl the purls. Slip the first H stitch, knit 24, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and purl the last H stitch. We have done 7th row. I'm going to knit the knits and purl the purls in the next 3 rows. I have done 8th, 9th and 10th row. Here what we have done 10 rows. I remind you, pattern consists of 10 rows and has 24 stitches. Then you should repeat from the 1st to the 10th row. Today we have learned how to make beautiful knitted cable stitch pattern. Pattern consists of 24 stitches and has 10 rows. As you remember, we add 5 stitches on each side. In your cases it can be 5, 6, 7 stitches on each side. This is the purl stitches. Don't miss our new video tutorial on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.